35.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, I'm back, and today I will be teaching you how to make ham fettuccine alfredo. But before I do so, let me just say I am so sorry if I haven't made videos recently. It's just because I've been really busy with school. You know, I mean, next year I'm heading into middle school, and yeah. So, if you're new to this channel, I'm Clara, and about like maybe a couple or 6 months ago, I made a video on 10 things to do when you're bored. That was a cool video I made, but there's one thing I noticed that was wrong with it. Did you notice it?
6 months later.
I forgot number 8. So that's what this week's video is about. So today's video will be about number 8, which you can already guess by the title of this video, ham fettuccine alfredo. Anyways, so if you like this outfit I'm wearing, you can get these pants from PacSun, and they're really good. I love them. They're my favorite jeans. And this shirt is from Brazil, and it's from Clara Girls. And if you're not from Brazil, or if you're from the United States or somewhere else in the world, Brazil is a really good place, and it's fun. It's where all my family is, and I love it, so you should go there sometime. About this video, my clothes will be linked in the description down below, and my video from the 10 things to do when you're bored will also be linked in the description. This is my specialty. Everyone in the family loves it. Even my brother, who eats food like so slowly, don't tell him I said that, he loves it, and he eats it like so fast. Like, say my mom made a food. Mom, if you're watching this right now, yeah. Anyways, with all that said, let's get started with this video. So the first thing you need to do is boil your water. You need to use your cooktop, so ask your parents' permission first before you do so. So we have lots of pans, but I'm making this for 4 people. So I don't need a really big one, but I'm gonna get a big one just in case. So I'll get this one. This is a spaghetti pan. So, and then you also need one for the sauce. And I use this one. Okay, now you need to boil your water. So take your pan and get some sink water. I try to get hot sink water into it, because if you get hot sink water, then it can get like boiled more faster with the stove too. Okay, that's good enough. Here's my little secret. This is a secret recipe, but we're actually out of fettuccine, so today I'm gonna be using spaghetti. But shh, don't tell anyone, it's a secret. Okay, so next you're gonna wanna heat the cooktop to about maybe like 6, or high in the middle, you know? And I'm just gonna close it. And when it starts boiling, I will start putting my spaghetti in. Now for the sauce. First thing you're gonna wanna do is get these items. Get olive oil, garlic, and butter. So now we're gonna bring this over here. And we're gonna heat the cooktop to like maybe a 6. A 6 is good. So then the first thing you're gonna wanna get is your butter out of your 3 ingredients, and you're gonna get a knife too. So you're gonna want like maybe 1/4 of a tablespoon of butter. And just dump it on. And next you're gonna want to just like spread it around like this, just to like melt all of the butter. Okay, there's still a little bit on, but that's fine. Now I'm gonna get some of the garlic. You're gonna want a spoon for that. You don't want your hands in there. And maybe like half a spoon is good. A little more. Then you're gonna wanna get one of these and they're gonna just like mix like that. You are like the worst cameraman ever. Okay, when it starts sizzling, you can add some of the olive oil in. Okay, while that's cooking, you're gonna wanna get Alfredo sauce, but I don't have any, so it looks like we're making Alfredo sauce. This is part of my secret recipe, so. I'm getting cream of milk. Is that what it's called? I'm getting this thing, cream of milk, and then we're getting some milk too. You can also just use half and half, but I like this a lot better, so, because it's creamy. So you're gonna open this. And cut. Ah! Okay, now that we got that incident covered, we have Sunny, not lick what just fell on the floor. And we have to pour this in. There we go. I'll mix it in real quick to make it stop sizzle. There. Now while that is there, this is already bubbling, so I can add the spaghetti in. Let's see. Okay. Honey, please. Use all of it. Ugh, stop filming it. Okay. Should I use all the bags? So. Oops. Okay. Now you're gonna get now you're gonna just make the spaghetti fall in to the water so we can put the lid on. Okay. And I'm gonna add some salt. Just a little bit. Now we're gonna add some of this milk just to make it a little more liquidy. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this spoon and scoop up all the savings we have in here. Can you put the lid on for me? Okay, good enough. Now we're just gonna mix it again. It's really chunky still, so I'm just gonna add more milk. Okay, I almost forgot this, but we also have to add salt in here too. I won't add so much because I already added some in the water. So now, while that is cooking, I'm gonna go make the ham. So, do we have ham? And I need a cutting board. Let's see. Anyways, so you cut them in half. Well, I cut them into fourths first, like that. Then when they're in fourths, I just stack them up like this. And if you're wondering, yes, I did wash my hands. Totally. Okay, that's good enough. So now, you take the ham and dump it in. Good. Now I'm going to mix it in. And I am going to add some parsley. It just really gives the sauce some good flavor and some color too. Oops, too much. Okay, now I get to taste some of the sauce, and I totally already have it, tasted it totally, but I get to taste some of it just to see if it's okay, if it needs more salt or whatever. It's missing salt. Oops. Now I have to mix this again, add some more milk. And we're almost to my favorite part. Oh my. And we're almost to my favorite part, where we get to eat. I have to taste it again. It's a different spoon. Stop. Much better. Now I'm gonna check the, oh. Anyways, I'm gonna check the spaghetti. It's almost ready, I think, if I can feel it. It's way too hard. Still good.
One eternity later.
Okay, so the spaghetti is ready, and so is the sauce. So now it's time for the taking the water of the spaghetti, separating it. So I have this special thing over here. It's made for spaghetti, and it basically just drains the water. And that's what we're gonna do. But before I do that, I have these mittens that it makes it so the pan won't burn my hands. So, take it and pour. Okay, can I have that? Thank you. Okay, so now I'm taking a bowl, put it in. Serve dinner. Okay. Okay, now we have to mix that in. And then for the toppings, when you're done mixing, I like adding cheese and parsley. So parsley goes first. And then cheese. And that's how you do it. But don't tell anyone, it's secret. Oh. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I hope my family likes it. And I hope you like it too. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel, tell your family and friends about it, and share it to other people around the world. And like our video. Thanks so much for being here. Bye.